Hello. So basically, this is a demo of an OCR system that identifies, extracts information from driver's licenses. So basically, we have a content folder, and here I have placed two image files, and we have an output folder where the extracted information will be placed. So when I run the program, so I see this interface and I have saved my API key over here. This is from Google's Gemini API key, and I have saved it, and now I can select the folder. So this is the folder and there are two images. When I click on these, I can see the images, but the extracted data is not yet available over here. So when I click on process folder, so it is processing now, one file at a time. So the process is now complete. So when I click on one of these, and I can see that the information is available over here. So for example, it has extracted the address and the suburb correctly, and the postcode as well, and the card number. So the data has been correctly obtained, but other information is not available for this template. Similarly, for this one, we have a citizen's name and date of birth and the card number, the expiry date. This is currently empty, so that's why it is not coming up correctly, but we'll have to try with correct data to be able to test. We'll need actual images to test this on, so then we'll see what is the situation. Similarly, it has extracted license class, license type, so and the conditions. So this is working for both of these license types. Let me know what you think, and if you need any further changes with this code. Thank you very much. Bye.